Joke Falls is the second highest plunge and the tallest untiered waterfall in India, located in the district border of Shimoga and Uttarakhand. Joke Falls, surrounded by lush green forests, makes an enigmatic vision. For the swimming enthusiast, you can hike down to the base and take a plunge into the river. You may also go up to the Watkins platform to get an exhilarating view of the place. The nearby area makes for a perfect trekking spot. When you have so much adventure packed into a single place, traveling there should be an obvious choice. The Dudhsagar waterfalls rest on the Mandovi River in Goa. Dudhsagar Falls, among the largest waterfalls in India with an altitude of 1017 feet. The falls are a sight to behold, especially if you go there in the monsoons, when the fall is in full flow. Water falling down from the heights forms clouds of milky foam at the bottom, creating a visual aesthetic beauty. Sit amidst the crescent-shaped valley carpeted with lush green flora, the falls are a perfect gateway for your honeymoon. This falls is also known as the Niagara Falls of India. Chitrakoot Falls are the broadest falls that cover the floors of the country. These falls have several hundred of travelers visiting the place all year round. Also named as Chitrakoot, these falls flow down from around 300 meters above the ground level and look heavenly during monsoon. This dramatic legend is based out of the wettest place in India, Cherrapunji. The 410-meter high falls rise, roar and splash on the rocks with a thunderous noise that's clearly audible to you even as you stand at the viewing gallery made at a safe distance from the place. Based in Madhya district, Karnataka, Sivasamudram Falls divide into two branches, the eastern and the western. Cascading down the rocky cliffs, these waterfalls are enveloped with great degree of flora and fauna, courtesy the hill forest of Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary. For photography enthusiasts, this is the place to be. After all, a selfie with the second largest waterfall in India is a once-in-a-life opportunity. This is among the best waterfalls in India. Gokak Falls is a waterfall known for its beauty. The river Ghataprava, after winding a course of a long route, takes a leap of 52 meters over the rocky bed 170 feet down. The fall is famous for its spread and shape, except in width and the color of the water. The general features of the fall, its height, shape and rapidity are much like those of Niagara.